So now we want to be able to find coterminal angles. So it says find the least positive angle. So the least positive angle, there's like a lot of coterminal angles, right? So if you're here, you know, and you say, okay, well, I'm going to go around, you know, a bunch of times, and then every one of those, you know, has a coterminal angle. So if you think we're going around in circles, we are. But we're going to find a least positive angle that is coterminal with the angle measuring 800 degrees. And our theta, our angle, has to be between 0 and 360. So they're going to do this a lot of times. They're going to restrict us to one rotation around the circle. Okay, so here's the coordinate system. All right, 800 degrees is what I'm going for. One trip around the circle, that's 360. Another trip around is 720. So I'm at 720 right there. And I want to go to 800, so I need 80 more degrees. All right, so here comes the 80 degrees right there. Kind of close to the 90. Okay, so that would be like 800 degrees. Then my coterminal angle, that's going to be between 0 and 360, is right here. So 80 degrees. So that's the answer. My theta is 80 degrees. That angle is coterminal with an 800 degree angle. All right. Show the angle with measure negative 45 on a circle. Okay, so let me get a circle. Negative 45 would be like right there. That would be negative 45 degrees. Okay. And find a positive coterminal angle alpha such that, okay, it's got to be between 0 and 360. So what we're going to do, they want it to be positive. We're going to go in the positive direction then. Go from here around this way. And so what's that? It has to total up to 360, right? Because it's a whole circle. So this is going to be 315 degrees. So in this case, alpha is equal to 315 degrees. So that is coterminal with a negative 45. I forgot to put the negative. There's the negative 45. Okay. So one's just in the positive direction, the other's in the negative direction, but they're coterminal. And so we wanted one that was between 0 and 360 degrees, and that was 315 degrees. Okay. So now I think we've got one more. Find an angle beta that is coterminal with, and then they give it to us in radians this time. So we have to get it down to less than 2 pi. It's got to be between 0 and 2 pi. Now, I noticed that this is in fourths, so I'm thinking 2 pi is equal to 8 pi over 4. So that would be one circle, right? One rotation around the circle, or one revolution. All right. So, and I want to take out, 8 pi over 4 as many times as I can. So I'm at 19 pi over 4. I can take out 8 pi over 4. That's going to give me 11 pi over 4. Now you might say, oh, well, that looks good to me. No, it's not less than 2 pi. It's got to be less than 8 pi over 4. Okay, so take out another 8 pi over 4. And then that's going to get me 3 pi over 4. So that would be the coterminal angle. We could draw it out again. Here's 2 pi, and then another 2 pi. So that's what? 16 pi over 4. And then we've got to go, 3 pi over 4, which would be over there. And that would be, for the coterminal angle, it would be just this part right here. So that would be, that would be the 3 pi over 4. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so it's going around the circle twice, and then another 3 pi over 4. We just want the 3 pi over 4. That is less than 2 pi, and that would be beta. So let me write beta is equal to 3 pi over 4. Okay.